Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting a little bit of tired of talking about the Federal Reserve, how housing's unaffordable, where mortgage rates are, and what the Fed's doing. So I thought I would spin it up today a little bit because I want to talk to those out there that have student loan debt. Now, if you don't have any student loan debt, please don't turn the dial because I can assure you, you know somebody that can benefit from you. And the reason why I'm doing this video is we did a study and 8 out of 10 clients that are applying for their first loan or to get pre-approved for their first house have student loan debt. I never knew that. So I figured I would really dig into this subject because we ran across a young lady just recently that almost everybody else that she called couldn't help. And we're actually getting her loan closed here in about 2 weeks. How did we do that? Well, did you realize that the student loan debt forgiveness plan that the government has is kind of falling on its face right now? Okay, so the headlines that you're going to see today is the student loan debt forgiveness dead? I think so. And I think the forgiveness part's going to be dead, that $10,000 or $20,000. But what I think the Biden administration is going to do or going to get passed is where you can bankrupt that debt, where currently you cannot. So that should be a big a reprieve for a lot of people burdened in student loan debt. But the reason why I'm doing this video is we had a young lady come to us, and she couldn't find anybody to help her. So we really do our due diligence when we're trying to find, get you pre-approved to help you when you decide you want to buy that first house. So she called a lot of other places. Everybody turned her down. She came to us and I'm like, hey, I have a friend called Catalina and she was working on a system about a year ago to help people with student loan debt because there's an income-based payment plan that most of these student loan plans have built into them. And you can actually apply for this, but most people don't know. So let me just show you how this works. Catalina actually created a website and a company around all of this. So I'm not trying to do this as an infomercial. I'm just providing you guys some information that you guys could use and should use because it's really valuable. So I'm going to put the link to this down below. So what you're going to see is it's going to take you to right here. Okay. So at the top of this is what it's going to look like. All right. But I don't care if you're buying a house. I don't care if you're trying to get a car or whatever else. I am focused in on right now trying to save you guys money that you're eligible for in this plan. And it's already passed through all the entities, the Supreme Court, the government, and everybody else. So this plan is active right now. So let me go through and show you an example of a client we just helped. And this was this young lady who just got her doctorate, and she had $200,000 in student loan debt. Before you gasp, that's not uncommon, just to let you guys know. So in her case, she got her first job and she makes $75,000. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the link down below, and this is exactly what's gonna pop up. You don't have to do a ton of work, just fill out some questions. And we're gonna go through those right now. So hers is $75,000 as her income. She had $200,000 in student loan debt. So there that is. She had credit card payments of, I think it was about $155. She had a car. She just bought a minivan, and it was $355. And she had other debt was what's about $275 a month is what she had in other installment loans. Then you're going to go down here. And what you're going to do is the next step, step 2, you're going to fill out the average interest rate on all your student loan debt. So just get your statements, and it should have on there what those rates are. So you're going to average it out, but in her case, it was 6.5. She is married and has 4 children. Yes, 4 children. So it's a family of 6. So what's going to happen is all of a sudden on the right side, you're going to see, well, nothing happened. Well, yeah, it did. Scroll up. Well, you're going to be amazed. Watch this. She was able to save or cut her monthly student loan payment by $2,085. Now, before you say, well, there's no way. Well, let me show you the details. Look down through here. It's going to give you all the details. I'm going to get my head out of the way. Let's scroll down. So based on the student loan, the average payments, based on her rate and everything else, her monthly payment on that student loan debt would be $2,271. Okay, you can see we incorporate this with a mortgage stuff, but I don't care if you're getting a mortgage. But in this case, let's look at it. She would qualify for basically no mortgage. Okay, we were able to get her payment down to $186. Now look what she qualifies for. Now she qualifies for a house. Okay, so a lot of you guys are saying, well, this $185, you're going to pay that basically for now 100 years. Well, no, that's not how this works. So what I asked Catalina to do is join me in a live event next week so you guys can learn how this system works. And obviously on these payments that you're seeing on your screen, it's not enough to pay $200,000 back. But I think you're going to be surprised by the end result of all this, because you can end up saving thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. And how's that possible? Well, check out our live event we're going to have next Tuesday with Catalina. I haven't scheduled the time yet, but check out the live event calendar on my YouTube channel so you guys can make sure you don't miss that event. So my name is Dan Frio. If you're interested in using this system or seeing how much you can get approved for, please visit us at therateupdate.com. Here's my website. It's easy to get a hold of us. There's a couple different ways you can do that. One, most people just give us a call, 844-775-5626. Right over my head, you can see you can book a meeting, you can apply now. And for those out there that already got a loan estimate from somebody, so what happens is if you go to another mortgage company or bank and they start processing your loan, what they do is they send you a loan package. And in that package, it gives you the details of that loan. It gives you the loan amount, the rates, and everything else. If you got one of those, what I ask you to do is send it to us right here in our loan estimate. All you have to do is click that button, download it. We'll review that. We'll give you a call, email, or text back to let you know, can we save you money maybe on the rate? Can we save you money maybe on the fees? What's happening, most people are finding, we're saving them money on the rate and the fees. So check it out. It's a free service that we offer those that are already pre-approved or already approved. Check it out. It's our loan estimate tab, and that is it. So that's my report for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Don't forget to watch us for next week's. We have 2 live events coming up that you're going to be excited about, and I bet you're going to learn a lot. So if you find value in my channel and some entertainment value here, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell every time I post a video. You get an alert. God bless, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.